Who are very corrupt. I am not referring to these ones of today. They have done a good job, but it is my dream that games should end and the referee is not protected by security. We want to have the day when we shall end and shake hands peacefully.
Twala okwebaza Mukama Katonda atusoboseze wangula ekikopo kino omulundi ogwokusatu ogw'omudiringanwa n'okusobola okwebaza abasambi bannange abatusobosezeza era bannyambyeko tuwangula ekikopo kino netwala omukisa guno okwebaza bakooki baffe n'abawagizi baffe bonna bonna.
Until we have only completely school students playing on the pitch here. The good news is that we have now known all tricks where people get killed, people who are already playing in clubs, they take them to P7, they sit, and then they start afresh. We have got a number of them, and we have now got medicine for them.
The challenge is one. You are supposed to be in senior one, in P1 at the age of 6. Plus 7 years you go to 13. Plus 6 years you go to 19. When you start growing gray hair on the legs and when you say you are 16, it beats our science.
The winners here, officially, we are supposed to have, we are the champions, and they invited 2 teams, so 2 plus the champion, those are 3. The 3 teams have qualified to play in Fiesta Games in Hue.
And gives us hope that they can give us more games to host because we have done our best.
Lokoye Samuel